Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And today's Pixel Day, the day my Google Pixel 8 Pro has been delivered. And likely, if the tracking on various courier websites is to be believed, the day our Chief Aperture Officer Lukash gets his Pixel 8 Pro as well. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and unbox this device. We'll be following this video up with a setup video. So be sure to be subscribed to the Tech Travel Geeks and have that notification bell on for our overall setup video and the series of videos we'll be doing about the Google Pixel 8 Pro, comparing it to last year's model, the Pixel 7 Pro, and the Google Buds Pro. Essentially all the wonderful products from Google which we're arguably very involved in. Right, so packaging is pretty simple. Picture of the picture. On the front of the box are the Google logo and the exact model number, Google on the side, Pixel 8 Pro on the other, and then, as we've seen in previous models and years, simple, easily accessible packaging, where you just pull off two cardboard strips, and boom, that's the Pixel 8 Pro ready to be pulled out. Wow! So the Pixel 8 Pro, in this case in the light blue color called Bay, is pretty impressive. I really like that. And the matte finish of the back is lovely. As you can see, there's the new camera set up on the back with those three lenses surrounded by a metal frame that also folds into the rest of the metal frame of the device. Inside the box, as well as that, you get a few booklets of documentation, the usual stuff from Google about safety and quick start guides. And then you get a USB Type-C to USB Type-A adapter, as well as a USB Type-C to USB Type-C USB cable. So this is a power delivery cable, and it supports the Google Pixel 8 Pro's fast charging. So that's all that's in the box. It's as simple as that. Now, if you'd like to see more content about this, as I said earlier, you can subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask us in the section below. But for now, I'll wrap up this video and we'll speak to you tomorrow when we're setting this device up. But for now, thanks for watching and goodbye from me.